Ki arngut ki khloor ki waman kam ki khloor yalehke sports ko West Jaiñtia district ki wadara nam ya ke jela wa ke district hi wara ko wi de wa yok khur takma hai lai chimbenta ki ransan yalehke wa penman ha Mumbai wa New Delhi ha ubanai me arhaja arphausan ni kesengi wa neliang ke yung kam o deputy commissioner ko West Jaiñtia district kam kadang itip mit wei men sen ya kini ki khloor wa kan thup ya kasawa kan nilakyang wow Alexander Lengdo da Pynkup burom kerpang yaki ha ke yalang wa da penman ha conference halls ko office DC yakini da Pynkup burom da deputy commissioner ko West Jaiñtia district wa Abhinav Kumar Singh chiru BM lang ki ADC EAC wa kan thup yaw GLM melim ka HML kenta ka bibla o F pasa na jrong ki wa kre ka yung kre kam UDC wa ki wa hayung asem kini ki wa cha Pynkup burom kasawa kani lakyang to ko wadiyo khur takamakser hiya ko penyodok sa ko World Fitness Federation Bodybuilding SAARC Women's Bikini Model Category World Fitness Federation wada penmanda ka South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation ha Mumbai ha ka kande tarik ubnai me arhaja arphausan kadwa Alexander Lengdo wanto wayo wa ar ha ka left hand category wayo wale wan hacker dan right hand category ye khun kti ha ka Asian Arms Wrestling Championship arhaja arphausan wada penman na do ka letrik ha do khatwi tarik ubnai me arhaja arphausan ha New Delhi o deputy commissioner hawa kalam ongo ne liang yong o kamjo ki bor district hi daw pten emen sin wei karchan ki yakini ki arngut langba ka chief minister's youth development scheme dai wa paj benia ha iwan iru kom wa yi uyarap yaki kamjo le langba ki company wa ka yung kre kam UDC yakre langko dayo ala ikalam na ka HML kenta ADC wana kini ki khloor wa cha Pynkup burom kadwa ye kalamu Alexander Lengdo ne daw wa manu bru waduna ibor kalam da penyo da kidakti hei wada yarap wa batai pensnya thu da ki wa hayung yong o
I completing class 12 from St. Mary Manzulu and still studying my Bachelor of Arts in Kiangnamba Government College. I'd like to thanks for all this, for giving me this platform to stand here. Not only a simple platform, but so grateful that I, as a woman, to stand to inspire all the women present from West Jaiñtia district, not to step forward, not to left behind. We must push ourselves to stand as a sport person. Some of us are told that bodybuilding is not a sport. They make a mistake. Bodybuilding is a sport. Without sport means without practice. We practice, we give ourselves, we sacrifice, we put all the efforts and discipline. So with all the short speech from myself, you know that bodybuilding is not a simple sport. It is a tough sport and expensive. Some of us, they do not know. We can explain ourselves, but when they know, they will definitely cry also. So I thank my family for all they support me, and to all the government who support me from since Deputy Commissioner. I always, before I go to the competition, since April, I came to office and speak to sir. I push myself not to force by others, but from my side, I always make history. I want to make history, not anything. I want to make history to showcase that all the sport person, they need to stand in their own feet. So thank you from my side. Only simple words and only that. Thank you.